If you're wondering why I'm breathing so hard, it's because Justin's here. I'm just kidding. It's because there's a Lamborghini right here and a Ferrari. I mean, my truck's pretty sweet, but...
Look at the size of the brakes.
Oh my God. So we're gonna rip a Lamborghini and a Ferrari. Well, I'm gonna rip the Lambo. The owner's gonna rip the Ferrari, and we're gonna go rage the neighborhood. This thing is a weapon. Oh my God. Oh, I'm all jacked up on Mountain Dew, Tom. Can't wait to see these things in the light outside. Could probably slap a 450 over there though. All right, let's grip it and rip it. Maybe we slap an MBRP on it. That thing's so low. I want to bottom her out. I love that color. That thing goes up and down so it doesn't bottom out. Got one. Let's bring the other one out. Love it. Weapons. Weapons. Oh, nice selfie stick.
Yeah, thank you.
Oh. The old Rari. Keep a Glock in your Rari. Jesus. Bring her out. Those calipers on the front. What do you think, Justin? Should I trade the 450 in?
100%.
No
Should have done that 4 days ago.
So we figured out. Oh, we're doing go-kart laps here. So we figured out that if you buy a Lamborghini and make videos of it, YouTube will pay for it. The views from the videos will pay for it. So
why don't we have 4?
I think we should buy a Lamborghini.
Like I need a weekend Lambo and then a daily Lambo.
And then a Sunday Lambo.
Yeah, because I want to look like a douche who drives it all the time. Like I gotta switch it up.
The weekend giver. All right. Which one am I taking? The Ford? What do you guys think? Lambo or Ferrari? Let us know in the comments. Take her for a spin. We're in a Ferrari. Do you know where I got my Glock?
Are we in a Rari? Look at
Glock in my
that.
Ferrari.
That's sick.
I feel like I'm in the Yamaha with this paddle shift.
I think it's a little bit faster than that. Okay, we're just gonna take off. Okay.
There's no first gear in these things. It's wide open or not.
I like it.
Yeah. Okay, apparently we gotta exit real slowly so the old girl doesn't bottom out. I feel good. I feel good.
I feel good. I feel like I'm really close to
I was supposed to be riding dirt bikes right now, but
I think the guys will understand.
They'll understand, yeah. 100%.
Are we those guys that pull out and everybody looks at us?
Yeah, it's like, oh my god, there's a Lambo and a Ferrari.
So I shouldn't be filming down here then?
No.
So we look professional?
You think I'd get a careless if I was filming myself in a Ferrari again? Well, not again.
It'd be worth it.
Yeah, worth it. I beat him. I'm afraid he's gonna overtake us. Let him fly by here.
That picks up fast.
Yeah. Cause I've got a rocket Ferrari and it is good.
I feel like even just driving slow is just fun.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
0 to 800 in half a second.
I like that.
It's Lambo time.
The battery's gone.
Your battery dead?
I think so.
So this is the Lambo. This is our Huracan 610. The Ferrari rips pretty hard. It's hard to do the speed limit in these things. You just want to fly. But I'm having a good time. You having a good time, Justin? I'm having a good time. Nothing better than a good old Lambo video.
Uh-oh. What are we in now? I believe we were in the Huracan.
Huracan.
The Huracan.
Huracan.
The
I think he wants me to pass. It's so hard to go normal speed in this thing.
This is
I don't even know how to put the windows up.
all kinds of detail on here.
It's cool. Hey, my watch matches the logo. I love it.
Impressions so far?
Oh, I'm in love. It's too bad.
Lambros.
Lambros. Too bad I live on a gravel road too. That doesn't help.
If you can afford a Lambo, you can pave it.
The key's not in the vehicle. The key's in his pocket.
Does it die?
No. But it might shut off at one point.
Is this like Chase? So you have to go as fast as possible to keep the other person, or your vehicle will shut off and you'll get arrested.
Him.
Oh, that backfire though.
Reminds me of the backfire last night.
Oh, so much detail in here. It's crazy.
I like how everybody stares at you, and you can literally just park
CD player back here.
Park on the road, and
Yeah.
everyone's just like, "Hey!"
Fading out the sunset.
Oh, I love this car. What do you guys think? Should we do more Lambo videos? Should we do more Ferrari videos? I think we'll pull over up at the Petro and go for a little walk around again. Check things over.
Yeah.
Check the oil. It's in the front, right? I'm pretty sure.
I think so, yeah.
I bet this thing runs on premium.
Oh, at least.
With a splash of diesel. You always want to put a splash of diesel. That's at least 400 more horsepower, so. Oh, I love the sound of it. It's just so pretty.
Like,
It's just like
all the details.
every little, there's Corsa, Strata, Sport.
It's sick. I like how everything's like a suede too. Stitching. Even the the mirrors. Look at the mirrors.
They see me rolling. They hate it. I believe I wonder how many people stare at us.
I don't know.
1, 2.
Look at this beautiful sunset. Oh wait, no, Lambo. Oh, it's 2 syllables.
2 syllables. Or Lambro.
Lambro. I like Lambro best.
I like Lambro.
I want to get a Lamborghini and just like rebrand it. Just like get a new emblem made up. Lambro.
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 It's weird that we're going to eat chicken wings after this. I feel like we should be eating
On
like,
cheap night.
On cheap night, yeah. Oh God, we're cheap sometimes. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video because
We did.
it took a bit of arranging to be able to drive Lambos and not have to pay $1,000 a day for it. But I'm having a great time. Are you having a great time? I'm having a great time.
This is awesome.
The biggest or the best car I think I've ever been in is like a Viper. I don't even know if I've been in a Viper. I've been in a Corvette.
Yeah, Dodge Right Brazil. They started making them again, but
Yeah. We gotta lift up the front end so we don't bottom this thing out.
where'd that go?
It's this one.
That one up
There's
there.
so many switches. Guys, check out this. Check all
switches.
these switches out. So I don't know what they all do, but this lifts the front end up so you don't bottom out on stuff.
Crazy. Ignition.
Everyone waves at you.
I feel like he can make a lot of friends and a lot of people that just want you for
Want
your
the
chicken
front
wings.
seat. No one ever wants to ride in the Platinum, but when you get a Lambo,
I'll trade you my Subi for the Platinum. How's that?
yeah. Excuse me, how do you get to Adelaide? Oh, that way? Oh, okay, thank you.
You're good.
I knew where Adelaide was the whole time.
Just the revs? Oh, so good.
I forget where his house is. Should we just drive off and do the distance?
Technically, we didn't sign anything. What are you doing?
He's waiting for us.
Oh, I thought we were just.
I didn't hear any scratches. Tons of room. Okay. So pretty. It's so pretty.
The brakes are like the size of your rim. I can't get over that.
When I touch the brakes, it's like my pinky toe. If I put my big toe on there, you'd go through the front.
Amazing.
Excuse me, do you know where
We could tell the girlfriends it makes all the kids happy, and we need one to bring cheer and joy to the world.
Oh, I love it. You know what? I'm gonna let him park this.
Yeah. I mean, he rolled it in like he knew what he was doing,
Yeah.
but he knows what he's doing, so.
She's in park, boys.
If this rolls out and hits the Platinum, I'm gonna be upset.
You can say you can add it to it.
We'll say it's 1,400 horsepower. This thing, I think, I mean, the Ferrari's pretty fun, but the Lambo, 100% is better. We drove, some lady pulled up beside her and asked where Adelaide was. She's like, oh, you're way past it. She probably thinks we're from Toronto. Oh, this thing, I love it. We need Team Lambos, that's for sure. What a beautiful car. What do you guys think? Should we go Lambo or Ferrari? I'm thinking Lambo. And to cap off the video, we're gonna take the Jeep out because this thing is pretty sick. This is the Trackhawk, I believe, the Grand Cherokee supercharged. Apparently it's got 700 horsepower. So we might as well cap this video off with another round. Ooh. We'll do one more walk around on Ferrari. Well, actually, let's swing by the old Platinum here. So So this is a 2018 F-150 Platinum. It's got massaging seats. That's about it. Oh, there you go. So is this considered a trunk?
That's not a trunk there, Freeman.
Well, it's on the back though.
No. No.
So is it the hood and the front's the trunk? You could probably fry some eggs on that thing. Justin, you look a little blushed. It's like you just had some fun.
Yeah.
Hey, a little jam party. What do you guys think? Ferrari, Ford, or Lambo?
In their garage.
Hey, if you don't have a GTR. Now that's an engine. Supercharged heavy. And you're selling it already. You just got it. It's not fast enough. I love it. Take a look at this badass. This is the winter beater. Jeep, Lambo, Ferrari. I feel like if we drove that thing, it'd be a little bit of a letdown after the Lambo. Maybe we shouldn't. Let's just stick with the Lambo.
Well, we're doing good right now.
Yeah, we're doing real good.
We're doing really good. Let's try not to get 3 eggs in their basket.
Just a beautiful machine. She purrs like a kitten. Anyways, we're gonna wrap this up for now. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Let us know which one was your favorite, Ferrari or Lambo. I definitely like the Lambo better, but they were both amazing. So yeah, leave a comment. If you're new, subscribe to the channel. We do 7 videos a week and lots of crazy stuff. So have a good day and we'll see you later.